Chit-chat 1. What did you notice on the banks of the river? Answer. On the banks of the river, we noticed some trees, birds, some domestic animals, reeds, river sand, and children bathing near the bank. Some women were washing clothes. 2. In which season did you go? Was the river flow gushing or gentle? Answer. We went to the picnic spot in the rainy season. The river flow was gushing in those days. 3. Did you notice other people by the river? What were they doing? Answer. Yes, there were some picnickers and other people. Some were enjoying the picnic, some were swimming in the river, some were fishing, and some women were washing clothes by the river. 4. What should we do to make sure that rivers do not get polluted? Answer. We should not allow people to wash their clothes and utensils in the river. We should ban defecation and throwing household and industrial waste in the river. 1a. Fill up the table of seasons in India. Time of the year 1. Mid-February to mid-April. Season Vasant. English name Spring. 2. Mid-April to mid-June. Season Grishma. English name Summer. 3. Mid-June to mid-August. Season Varsha. English name Rainy season. 4. Mid-August to mid-October. Season Sharad. English name Autumn. 5. Mid-October to mid-December. Season Hemant. English name Pre-Winter. 6. Mid-December to mid-February. Season Shishir. English name Winter. B. Match the weather with the seasons. 1. Winter cold. 2. Monsoon rainy. 3. Spring pleasant. 4. Pre-winter windy. 5. Summer hot. 6. Autumn cool. A. Alliteration. Write 5 pairs of words that begin with the same sound. Answer. 1. Uncle's umbrella. 2. Tall tree. 3. High heels. 4. My mother may make dosa for me. 5. Loyal laborer. Play a game. Set a time limit of 5 minutes using letters from the word onomatopoeia. Make as many 4, 5, 6 letter words and write them down. The one who makes maximum number of words within the time limit is the winner. Answer. Opinion, onion, potato, poet, tomato, poem, patient, onto, opinion, open, appoint, note. 1. 2 trees. Answer. Mango, palm. 2. 2 animals. Cows, jackals. 3. 2 seasons. Summer and rainy season. 4. 2 non-English words. Ashad and Gamcha. 5. Two different times of the day. Answer: dusk and dawn. B. Pick from the poem words that describe sounds. Answer: chirpings of mynas. 2. Jackals howl. 3. Babbling sound. 4. Torrent swells. C. Pick out words that describe the flow of the river water. Answer: 1. Strong current. 2. Midi torrent. 3. Inspet. 4. Meanders. Question 2a. Find out 5 lines from the poem that contain the figure of speech alliteration. Underline the initial sound of words repeated in each of the line. Answer: 1. Cows and cats can cross with ease. 2. No sign of smile, the sands shine bright. 3. Girls and boys bath close to the bank. 4. At dusk and dawn, once their bath is done. B. Pick out 4 lines that contains the figure of speech onomatopoeia. Answer: 1. Chirping mynas through that sight. 2. The jackal's howl is heard there at night. 3. The air is rife with babbling sounds. 4. As the muddy torrent swirls along. Question 3. Rearrange the words in alphabetical order. 1. Summer, sign, smile, sand, shade, stir, scour, sound, swirl, strong. Answer: sand, scour, shade, sign, smile, sound, stir, strong, summer, swirl. 2. Banks, blossom, boys, bath, babbling. Answer: babbling, banks, bath, blossom, boys. 3. This, two, throng, there, they, trap, torrent. Answer: there, this, they, throng, two, torrent, trap. Question 4. What aspects from the poem do the following phrase describes? A. Their cool shade. Answer: the phrase describes the cool shade of the mango and palm groves. B. Only knee deep. Answer: the phrase describes the water in the river which is only knee deep during summer. C. Not too steep. Answer: the phrase describes that both the banks of river which are not very steep, not rising sharply. D. Housework on the river bank. Answer: household work of wives, means woman. E. Inspet. Answer: rivers flood. F. Rife with sounds. Answer: the air. Question 5. The poem describes 2 different pictures of the river in summer and in rainy season. Write down 4 points of contrast in the changing scene of the river. In summer: 1. Little river water, only knee deep. In monsoon: 1. Flooded river. 2. Meanders along. 2. Current grows strong. 3. Banks not so steep. 3. Water rises, torrent swells along. 4. No sign of slime, sands shine bright. 4. The village stirs to life, people celebrate rain. Question 6. Guess who I am. I always run, I never walk. I often murmur, but never talk. I have a bed, but never sleep. I have a mouth, but hardly eat. I love to fall, but can't climb up. Guess who I am? Please don't give up. Try to translate the above riddle in your medium of instruction in a poetic form. Translation. मी तर नेहमी धावतच असते, कधीच चालत जात नसते. खूपदा कुजबुजत असते, बोलत मात्र केव्हाच नसते. मऊ बिछाण्याची जमीन असते, पण झोप कधी माहीतच नसते. मुख तर मला असतेच असते, पण खाणे कधी होतच नसते. वरून कोसळायची हौस असते, पण वरती चढणे शक्यच नसते. ओळखा पाहू मी कोण? कृपया सोडून देऊ नका. उत्तर नदी. Question 7. Imagine you were at a riverside class picnic and slipped and fell into the river while playing games. Write in about 12 to 15 lines how your classmate saved you. Answer. It was the rainy season. Our class teacher announced our class picnic to Lonavala to enjoy the scenery of rainy season. 40 students and 3 our teachers went there. There we settled near a big river. We all were enjoying scenic surrounding. Some students wanted to enjoy swimming in the water, but our teacher did not allow it. So we started playing close to the bank of the river. At once I slipped and fell into the river. The river was flooded with strong currents in it. I did not know swimming. I started moving away from the bank. I shouted for help. Our teachers and all other classmates gathered on the bank. 3 of my classmates who knew swimming jumped in the river. I was drowning. The 3 of them rapidly came toward me. They held my hands firmly, pulled me towards the bank, and brought me safe to the bank of the river. I was unconscious. Our teacher turned me upside down and removed water from my stomach. I was uneasy and frightened for some time, but I felt well afterwards. I thanked my classmates for saving my life. I shall always be grateful to them. I shall never forget my kind classmates.